The legend returns. The 2025 Holden Torana A9X is here, blending the iconic muscle car heritage with cutting-edge technology. Stick around as we dive into its new features, specs, pricing, and more. The 2025 Torana A9X revives its classic roots with a modern twist. From its bold front grille to the aerodynamic bodywork, this car commands attention. The 20-inch alloy wheels and LED headlamps not only add to its aesthetic appeal, but also enhance performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious yet sporty cabin. Premium leather seats with Alcantara accents offer comfort, while the 12-inch digital instrument cluster and 10-inch infotainment system keep you connected. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system by Bose are all standard. And yes, the A9X still has that classic Torana feel, but with all the modern conveniences. Under the hood, the A9X roars with a 6.2-litre V8 engine, delivering a whopping 650 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this beast goes from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. The rear-wheel drive setup and adaptive suspension ensure a thrilling yet smooth ride, whether you're on the track or cruising down the highway. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Torana A9X. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, this car ensures peace of mind. The 360-degree camera and parking sensors make maneuvering a breeze. With all these features, the 2025 Holden Torana A9X comes with a starting price of $95,000. It's not just a car, it's a piece of Australian muscle car history reborn. Whether you're a die-hard Torana fan or a new enthusiast, the A9X delivers on all fronts. What do you think about the 2025 Torana A9X? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in automotive news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.